This video is for Nextra 6 plumbing. When you have your tap, put that bit on your hose pipe. And we have another bit there. Put the sprocket thing there onto a washing pipe valve and put the copper pipe on the other end. Inside the shed. Have a look. The copper pipe comes through there, connects into a white T. 2 bits of copper pipe then comes off. Okay, let's try and show you. So you have one here and one there. Have a bit of pipe coming out of there and one valve for the hoover. Down there you have put a grey T, copper pipe. Wash machine valve there, and wash machine valve there. I have a white Y for, so off the Y comes the service and Zanussi, but you don't need to do that. So if you don't put a Y on it, then you'll have the hot point running off those 2, and the next one running off that one if it's cold fill. Service is now on a 60-degree cotton wash, towels, a few pyjamas, a few bits of clothes and some bedding. Zanussi finished a 60-degree coloured program. There you go, Saturday of now. I'll put that on the line in a minute. Sheet, a couple of towels. And we'll cook this for 5 minutes. Bowl, 2-in-1 gel, lavender. And I've got a quick wash to do up here because that didn't go in. I can just go on quick. And that'll go on Cotton's 40. They're the stuff sheets used for decorating. No conditioner. So I started really, so okay, yes. Plumbing, toilet, bye.